My scientific opinion of magic is this. The universe operates according to its own natural law. I divide this natural law into two parts. The portion of this that we have successfully modeled is science, and the portion that we haven't figured out yet is magic. The word magic is also used to describe three other things that aren't part of my model because to me, they aren't real magic. 1, when someone thinks they've understood something about natural law, but it's just wrong, that's not magic, that's ignorance. 2, when someone knows they haven't understood something about natural law, but they tell you that they have in order to get something from you, that's not magic either, that's a scam. And 3, the magic you can pay to see in Vegas, for example, is a collection of impressive and entertaining tricks and skills. To me, real magic is actual phenomena that actually happens and actually works that we don't understand and can't predict because we don't yet have a model for it. For example, when people pay conscious attention to something with a specific feeling and intent, it seems to manifest in their lives. This phenomenon is so common that even many scientists and notable people attest to it, even though we don't have a widely accepted model or equation for how it would work. We may eventually have a scientific model for this, or we might disprove it as just woo. But the point is that there's still more to the universe than we have discovered, which is why I'm disinclined to say that anything is impossible. For example, if someone told me that a full-size Mickey Mouse lived on Mars, that suggestion would violate everything I've learned about natural law via science. I would find it so improbable that I wouldn't feel safe making life decisions under the assumption that it's true. In fact, I would probably question the judgment of the person who told me that and maybe even keep them away from me. However, as a scientist, I can't say with absolute certainty that Mickey Mouse doesn't live on Mars because I can't prove it. Maybe there's some natural phenomena, just like gravity, that physically manifests all cartoons on Mars, and all of us are their cartoons. Think of a cave woman telling one of her homies, "If I run in a straight line long enough, I end up right back at this spot." Her girl would be like, you tripping, Toga. Everything they understood about natural law suggests that's impossible because, of course, straight lines always take you further away. But if Toga's homegirl had known back then that the Earth is a sphere, she'd know that Toga would really be running in a big circle, meaning that her seemingly impossible claim is actually correct in a sense. So I'm confused when I see intellectual elitists dismiss certain things because unless they have proof that it's false, the best thing we can say is that it's highly improbable and inadvisable to base life decisions on, but to insist that it's absolutely impossible without proof of this is just as dogmatic as the religious or magical thinking that many of them criticize. Lack of proof that something is true is not the same as proof that it is false. The truly scientific response is, I don't know. Based on what I do know, it's improbable, but possible.